Hello, this is Richard Jacobs with Speakeasy Marketing. Today I'm going to talk about being the man with the plan and why it's important. So when you talk to potential clients, they're going to tell you their issues with their case, okay? And you're going to say to them, all right, well, it sounds like this and that and the other may happen. You know, there's no guarantees. Every situation is different. Why don't you come into the office and we'll get into the details and we'll see what we can do to help you out. That's like a typical way that attorneys will try to interact and get a client. And that's great. That works just fine. But I'm going to tell you a way to make it even better. So people like when people have a plan of action, when they know what's going to happen, there's no surprises. So one way you can incorporate that without giving guarantees, without promising results, is to come up with a plan. Right there on the phone, you're talking to a potential client. So you may say to them, let's say you're talking about, a divorce case. Okay, they're older, they have kids that are teenagers, they have a business they've owned for 20 years, they're going through a divorce, they may be looking at perpetual alimony, etc. Okay, you're talking to this client. Again, there's no guarantees, but you can say to them, look, if we were to work together, here's what the plan would be. Assuming everything you told me holds true, there's no surprises, I would do this. I would file a motion for that. Then this may happen. Then I would do this. Then that. So what we're looking at is probably about 6 months start to finish. Again, it could be a lot longer. It could be shorter. We're looking at this kind of result, this visitation, this amount of alimony, if any, this amount of division of assets. The company would have to be sold, that kind of thing. So you're giving the person some specifics and you're giving them a plan. You're saying, that's what I would do if we worked together. So if you want to come into the office, we can flesh out that plan, get all the facts, and kind of get a solid game plan going forward. How does that sound to you? Would you like to do that and come in? That sounds a heck of a lot better than, oh, come in and we'll talk about your case and we'll figure it out then. I can't tell you anything right now. Compare those two responses. Which one would compel you more? Okay? If I approached you with an offer I had, and I said, well, we'll kind of do this and that, it depends, it doesn't sound great. But if I say, this is my plan, I have A, B, C, D, and E, and if that doesn't work, I have F, G, and H, it sounds like I'm more prepared, it sounds like I've got backups and all that. It inspires confidence, and that's what you want to do with clients. And saying merely that you have 20 years experience, or you've done hundreds of these kind of cases, or you have this award or that award, it's okay, but not nearly as effective as giving specifics and making a plan. So I hope this helps you with your consults and wins you more clients. If you do it, it will. Make a plan, do it. If you need any other marketing help, contact SpeakeasyMarketingInc.com, Inc being INC, or call 888-225-8594. Thank you.